I made over $4,000 flipping this Mazda Miata that I bought for less than 5 grand. In this video, I'll show you where you can buy a car just like this one for extremely cheap in order to flip them for a huge profit. I'll also throw in some tips and tricks to help you make your next flip more profitable. At the end of the video, I'll give you a full breakdown on how much everything costed down to the penny. I'll show you how much we bought the car for, how much it costed to fix it, and how much profit we made. If you're new to the channel, my name is Bilal and I buy and sell cars for a full-time living. If you want to learn how you can do this too, then make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. You can also text my number linked in the description down below. I bought this car from an online auction called Copart. They're open to the general public in some states, but in others, all you need is a broker to bid for you and you can win these cars for unbelievably great prices. I got this Miata for a great price because it was involved in a minor front end accident where it hit a deer. No airbags deployed and it mainly just needed cosmetic work. I quickly ran the numbers and determined I needed to win the car for less than $5,600 in order to make the flip worth it. So I sent my pre-bid and the next day I got a notification that I had won the car for only $49.50. I quickly paid for the car and set up transport to get it shipped from New York to North Carolina. Here's the footage the day the car arrived. Alright YouTube, this is my 2021 Mazda MX-5 Miata that just came in from the auction. Dang, this car is dirty. It's the manual transmission. First, let me pop the hood before I do anything. Anytime you get a car from the auction, you always want to check the oil and coolant before turning it on, just in case. That's some nice clean oil. This car is low mileage. I forgot how many miles. I think it's like 19,000. Got windshield washer fluid. The car is a little hot because the driver brought it here, so I don't want to open up the cap. I think we should have coolant. It should be all right. All right, let's go ahead and turn it on for the first time. Here we go. Foot in the clutch. Push this. There we go. Let's see what lights we got on the dash. We have, 70,000 miles. Never mind. I was way off. Doors open. I don't know which door is open. The brake on and no airbag light, no check engine light. The idle's fine. Let me go see if the trunk, if I can close it. First, let me see if this opens. Convertible top. Oh, whoa, okay. All right, it does open. Looking like trunk was open, so close it. There you go. Now let's go for the first drive, see what it drives like. Light damage, as always, guys. If you learn anything from what I teach, you gotta buy light damage. You cannot buy heavy damage on these cars. It's not worth it. Light damage, maybe a new hood, fix the bumper a little bit, and that's it. So let's go for the first drive and see how it runs. It's gonna be tough to drive with the manual transmission and show y'all, so I kind of have to drive like this. But here we go. E-brake down. Let's key out the way. All right, let's go. Oh yeah, this car is running good, guys. Alhamdulillah. It's a beautiful day too. All right, I just made it back. Car runs and drives good. All right, I've got the car dropped off for inspection, so we'll do the inspection and we'll come back and get it. All right, I've got the keys and we passed inspection, I believe. We're about to find out right now on this paper right here. See, passed. There we go. I got back to the shop. Now we just wait for the hood to come in. Then on Tuesday we can go do the pre-inspection. So that's it for right now. All right, y'all, it's a beautiful new day. We got the Mazda Miata and we are about to go do the pre-inspection at the DMV. With cars that are 5 years and newer in the state of North Carolina, you have to do a pre-inspection before fixing the car. So as you can see, the hood is still messed up on this car. See right there, the hood is still messed up. So we need to go do the pre-inspection first, and then we can start fixing the car, and then we go back for a post-inspection. And this is just to make sure that you're not stealing any parts off like a stolen car, and you're actually buying parts. That's why you have to bring receipts. But yeah, here we go. And let me show you how much we paid for the car. As you can see, the winning bid was $49.50. Those are all the fees. Comes out to $57.63 plus the $20, $57.83 for the car, for the Miata 2021. So not bad. But yeah, here we go. About to go do the inspection, and I'll catch you guys when we get there. All right, we just pulled up. Now about to go inside. All right, we're all good to go. We got the paperwork for the pre-inspection. So now we can go fix the car. And then once the car is fixed, we'll come back for the post-inspection, show them the receipts for what we bought and how much we paid. And then that's it. The car is ready for sale. But now I'm gonna head back to the shop and then we'll see from there. Yeah, this car is like driving a go-kart. It is crazy. It just feels like a go-kart. So low to the ground. It's quick. Yeah, this car is fun. Like, it's not even extremely fast. Like, that was like 60 right there. It took forever to get there, but it felt quick. I don't know what about it, but it feels fast, but it's really not that fast. Like, you think you're going 100, but you look down, you're going 60.
3 days later.
All right, y'all, here's what the Mazda Miata is looking like. It's fixing the front bumper. And we have the new hood that came in. It's color red, but that's fine. I'm just gonna paint this one and we'll fix the bumper and put the new hood on, and the car should be ready to go. And then once the car is done and fixed and all the body work is done, we can go to the DMV to do the post inspection. And then after that, we can wash the car, take pictures and post it, and the car is done. So very simple process. There's the car. Ooh, thumbnail. Maybe. But yeah, so that's what it is right now. If you guys have any questions, you can try to book me in a call down in the link down below. I see a lot of comments and a lot of you guys DM me. I cannot get back to everyone. I simply cannot. If you have questions and you want to get into this game, just book a call. It's $30. $30, and I can save you thousands of dollars. I can help you make thousands of dollars as well.
1 week later.
All right, y'all, here's what it's looking like. Here's the finished product of the car. As you can see, it's looking brand new. Boom. So that's what we got. Now all that's left with the car is to go wash it and take pictures and then do the post DMV inspection. And after that, the car will be ready. So I'm gonna try to take it today to go wash it. And yeah, here we go. All right, I'm going through the car wash right now and we'll see how it comes out. After this, we'll just go straight and go and take the pictures probably. So here we go. All right, y'all, here's what the car's looking like. I'm about to take the pictures and I'll show you guys how it comes out. And now all we have to do is tomorrow go to the DMV and do the post-purchase inspection. So they're gonna check everything, make sure we fixed everything, ask for the receipts of what we bought. All I bought for this car was a new hood, so I'm gonna show them that receipt, and then we'll be good to go. Then the car can be listed, posted, and ready for sale. So I'll catch you guys probably tomorrow. But for right now, we can just enjoy the car, enjoy the sunroof. Let's drive it back to the shop. All right, y'all, I've got the stickers on the car. It's parked. Tomorrow we'll go to the inspection, and hopefully we'll sell the car, but we'll see.
The next day.
All right, that's the next day. I'm headed to the DMV right now. I'm basically almost there. And we're gonna do the post-DMV inspection, and we should be good after that. All right, we just pulled up. Now I'll go inside and do the inspection. All right, I've got the paperwork. We finished the inspection, all good to go. This car is now ready for sale. So here we go. And I'm gonna take it back to the shop. And once we get there, we're just gonna park it, and that's it. Wait for a customer to come buy it, and that's it for now. All right, I got the car back. Everything's ready. There's a customer coming, so hopefully he buys it, but we'll just have to wait and see. So here we go. All right, y'all, the Miata sold for $12,000. So let's put it through cash counter right now and show you guys. So there you go, $12,000 the car sold for. And of course, I'm gonna run the numbers with you guys as soon as I get home. I'll show you guys how much money we made, how much we spent, how much we bought the car for, how much we spent to fix it, and how much profit we get and the return on investment. All right, y'all, on the way to the bank right now. And one quick thing I wanna say before I deposit this money is I see some comments that say that everything I'm doing, you can learn it on YouTube and this and that, and Copart, everything can be learned on YouTube. Look, if you think you can learn everything on YouTube, then go to YouTube and go try to learn this game. I'm telling you right now, you can't, because when I started this business, I was looking for people on YouTube, like with the answers. Nobody knows how to do this game. And no one, well, the people that do know aren't sharing it, right? It's gate kept right now. So that's the point of the course. And I see people comment like, you can do this for free. You can learn how to do this for free. My dad has a dealership. I can show you how to do this. Okay, like go ahead, learn from those people. But when you lose money, when you buy a lemon off them, like do not start complaining and say Copart is a scam. Copart is only a scam to the people that don't know what they're doing. That's it. People that know what they're doing, they make money off Copart, a lot of money off Copart. So as always, if you want to learn this whole game and how to do it, you can invest in the course, invest in yourself. I'm gonna help you directly, one-on-one. You see I know how to do it. I'll show you how to do it. And we're gonna try to get $3,000 profit for your first flip, just so you can double your investment right away. So if you're interested in that, link in the description below. But otherwise, go learn from the other people on YouTube. I don't know who, and best of luck to you. But go into the bank, deposit the money, and then I'll catch you guys at the end when I run the numbers for you guys and we see how much money we made. All right, I made it to the crib. Now I'm gonna show you guys how much money we made exactly. Here's the car, as you can see, 2021 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Let's get straight into it. $5,783, that's for the car after fees from Copart. $550 to get the car transported from New York to North Carolina. $550 for the hood, $500 to body guy, $340 to a dealer, $30 wash, $8.16 for the tow hood cover. Gives us a total of $7,761.16. And we sold it for $11,800. And that gives us a profit of $4,038.84. And that is a 52% return on our investment. So this was a good flip. Anytime I get 50% return on my investment, that's what I always shoot for. It's always a 50% return on my investment. That's what I always want to go for. So this was a 52%, which is really good. And plus it's $4,000 in profit, which is really good. Look, if you're serious about wanting to get into this business and getting into this game, you need to invest in knowledge. That's what's gonna make a difference between making money or losing money. It's just what you know and how do you apply the knowledge. That's what it's gonna come down to. So if you wanna make $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 per car you sell in pure profit, then you need to join the program down below. In there, you get the entire video lessons, entire program, the entire blueprint, everything you need, and direct access to me. I'm gonna help you along the way. I'm gonna hold your hand basically the entire way from buying the car to selling the car to make sure you're doing it correctly, to make sure you are profitable. So if you're interested in that, hit the link in the description down below. But besides that, you can text me with the number in the description below. And if you have a more detailed question that takes more time, you probably want to book a call. But besides those two options, if you're serious about doing this and you really want to do it, then you need to invest in knowledge, you need to invest in a program, you need to invest in a mentor. When I started this business, I made so many mistakes because there's no one to tell me what to do. I didn't know what I was doing and I had to pay for that. So now you can make the same mistakes I made, or you can skip them and get straight to making money. The choice is yours. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.